Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been stuck looking at a Google Sheet that's set to view only and scratching your head because you can't copy, edit, or make your own copy, don't worry, you're certainly not alone. Today I'm going to walk you through a really handy trick to help you copy data from a view-only Google Sheet, even when the usual options are grayed out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to extract the information you need, safely and efficiently, and bring it into your own Google Sheet for editing or analysis. All right, let's jump in. Let's start from the very beginning. Imagine you're already signed into your Gmail account. This is important because Google Sheets is part of the Google Workspace family, and being logged in makes all the next steps a bit smoother. Now take a look in the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a little grid of 9 dots. This is often called the Google Apps menu. It's your shortcut to all things Google: Drive, Docs, Calendar, and of course Sheets. Go ahead and give that grid a click. You'll see a bunch of icons pop up. Look for the green Google Sheets icon. Clicking on this will take you straight into Google Sheets, where you can access existing sheets or make new ones. But today, let's say someone has shared a Google Sheet with you, and when you open it, you can only view it. No editing, no copying, and make a copy is disabled. That can be super frustrating, especially if you need that data for your own project, schoolwork, or team. Here's the secret: even though you can't edit the sheet directly, there's a little workaround that lets you grab the information you need. First, go to the URL bar at the very top of your browser. This is the address that starts with docs.google.com. In just about every shared Google Sheet, somewhere in the link you'll notice the word edit. It might look something like /edit #git equals 0 at the end. What you're going to do is highlight the word edit in that URL and simply change it to preview instead. So instead of edit, it becomes, then just hit enter. Don't worry if the page reloads or looks a bit different, that's exactly what should happen. This preview mode magically displays the sheet in a way that makes it much easier to select all the data. Now here's the fun part. In this preview mode, you can click and drag to highlight all the information you want, whether that's just a few cells or the entire sheet. Once you've selected what you need, right-click and choose Copy, or just use Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on a Mac. It might take a couple of tries if there's a lot of data, but just be patient, you've got this. After you've copied your data, open a new Google Sheet, either by going back to that 9-dot menu or just typing sheets.new into your browser. This is a quick way to start a fresh spreadsheet. Click the first cell, hit Ctrl+V or Command+V, and paste your copied data right in. That's it. Now you have your own editable version, ready for whatever you need: analysis, calculations, or sharing with your own team. So the next time you run into a view-only Google Sheet, you'll know exactly how to get the data you need. If you found this tip helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical how-tos and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.